Hey everyone, Courtney here with Southern Owls, and today we are going to be designing this super cute tobacco basket. It already came with a basket inside, and I thought this was just so cute, so different. I did find it at Hobby Lobby in the clearance section, so I'm just going to stuff this just a little bit with some of this greenery, this moss. You can also get at Hobby Lobby. I already had a piece of foam cut from a different project. So I'm going to get messy, put some more moss on top of here, and then shove it in this like so. Shove some in the other sides. There we go. I'm not going to glue the moss down because I still want it to be like pliable, so we can still get our flowers in there. Okay, let me clean up this mess with my brush. I kept it handy for this purpose. And I'll really clean it up later. Okay, so step one, foam with some moss. So I grabbed some really pretty, just little fun, like everyday flowers for this. I got those from Hobby Lobby. These are from Walmart. Got these beautiful things. I got some fun filler from Sims Pottery. And then these are from TMI Gifts. And then I picked another greenery, and these are also from Sims Pottery. Sims Pottery, you do have to have your wholesale license to shop with them, but I highly suggest it if you're in the business and you want to do this, to go and get your sales tax ID, your sales tax ID. I highly recommend it. So I'm just going to start. I'm going to add in some greenery. And over here on the side, I have my glue pot, my Sure Bonder. And I'm just going to dip those ends into the hot glue. And I'm going to start placing this greenery all throughout this cute little basket. Just some fun little filler. Get it going. And I did pick two different fillers for this project. It just gives it a little bit more color, some dimension. I did pre-cut these pretty much. I might have to nip a little bit here and there because I didn't want to waste y'all's time by cutting. Isn't that cute already? So I just wanted this to be like an everyday look. I'm going to save that one. I'm going to put it in the front, I think. I'll put a little bit of this greenery in now, and this one's from Sims Pottery. You might not need as much of this. I might just do two of these because I don't want to fill it up too much. Let me cut that down just a little bit. Yeah, I think I'm just going to do two of these. And we need to add some more. Okay, that's actually cute, just with like greenery in it. Isn't that cute? That can be really, really simple too. Okay, let's put that greenery to the side. I'm going to start adding a little bit of color. I'm going to add in these really fun yellow guys that I got from the Walmart. Don't sleep on your Walmart, y'all. You never know. You never know what these guys at Walmart are going to roll off the shelves. We'll just do one more in the middle for right now, and if we need more, we can always add more. Make sure that you're always making contact with that foam. Pretty, really pretty. I did pull, I wanted to do these big yellow ones, so we're gonna do these guys. Ooh, yeah, that's gonna be pretty. I'm gonna cut them down shorter though. I don't want these to be really tall. I kind of want them to have a little height difference. Ooh, those are pretty. Okay, I really like those in there. Okay, now I'm gonna add in my super cute poppies. These are cool because they're wired all the way down, and I just want them like fun and free and just hanging out. They're blowing in the wind. Ooh, got my finger. I'm okay. Always got the finger. No worries. That's pretty. Do y'all like poppies? I love poppies. Oh, that guy looks. Are there two of those? No, that guy looks sad though. We're gonna push. We're gonna push that little sad guy off to the side. That's pretty. A couple more on the back. We'll take this leaf off. Measure that. Let me cut a little bit. Oh my gosh, I keep on burning myself today. Of those poppies poking out at us. I'm gonna do a couple more. I'll try not to hurt myself this time. Maybe because I'm holding it up. Okay, we're gonna lay it down this time. Cute, and I think I want that one like little guy. Hey, little guy, this one's really pretty. I want that one of these coming right there. Wouldn't that be pretty? Yes. Because I want the poppies to be the main event, the star of the show. Okay, this plastic is already so cute. I'm gonna add a little bit of these white fun guys because I just want it to be really light and airy. Maybe, I don't know. Do we like these? I don't know if I like them. Let's see. Let's cut them a little bit shorter. Let me stick one in before we glue it in. Maybe he needs to go to the back. So we're not covering up our gorgeous poppies. Ooh. Fun. Let me look. I don't know. It might be a little too much. I don't know if we bend it around. Make it more airy. Okay, I like that. Let's do it. Okay, let's just add one more though, I think, on the other side. And we're just gonna spread this guy. Oh my gosh, don't break him. Where did this guy come off of? This one? Oh. Let's just add one more. These guys I got from At Home. At Home really does have some good filler florals, guys. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, I'm glad we went with that. Just a little more texture in there. So I'm going to add just a little bit more greenery down in the front, I think. I might half these, or should I? Oh yeah, let's have these. I like that. I'm gonna cut these guys in half and just put a little bit right in the front. Oh yeah, that's nice. We're gonna do a little bit more. I might use this guy though too, because I only have one left. So I'm like, might as well use them, right? Just to give a little bit different color green in the front. Yeah. Okay, let's do a little, just a little guy. Cut this guy in half. Put him underneath the poppy. That's cute. How fun and simple was that? I think it has a very good balance of all the colors, of little nice, of the yellow accents coming out, some whimsical white, the nice greenery. So this would be so cute as just like an everyday door hanger or super cute little piece in your house. Now I did pull some ribbon. Do y'all want to put a bow on it? I did pull a little bit of ribbon. I thought it might be kind of cute to just do a little everyday bow, but we can just kind of play with it real quick and just, you know, see where our thoughts are at. Maybe, if my hands work. Oh, I think it totally should have a bow. Let's do a bow. Let's just do a simple little bow. Nothing crazy. I'm so sorry. I'm going to have to reach in front of the camera because I did not I was not prepared. There we go. We're going to get a table tie and a pipe cleaner and just make a super sweet bow. I think I might even just have, how much of this do I have? I wanted to use this. Okay, that's too long of a tail. I wanted to use this because I have a little bit left. Okay, that's going to be the perfect amount on the bottom. Okay, so what did I do? We're going to do 5-inch loops with 8-inch tails. We're going to do the same thing. I love this plaid. I thought it would bring out the poppies a little bit. Same thing. Okay. Some 5-inch loops with 8-inch tails. And then we're going to take this really pretty yellow. And all I want to do is just that center loop, that pop of yellow. Another 8-inch tail. You know what? I might just attach it. No, let's do both. Okay, we're going to attach it. We're going to grab our cable tie, go around. Okay. Get nice and tight. Grab this tape off. There we go. that tail down. Okay, so now we're going to grab all of our tails and just dovetail them. You're going to fold your ribbon in half and cut up at an angle. Oh my gosh, all my scraps are flying into my basket. Okay, so now I'm thinking I want it to, I don't know, will it sit in here? Do I want it on the edge? Or do I want to try up more? I look it up more. Okay, so we're going to put it through the basket like this. What I'm going to do make it stay. We're going to put a little dab of glue right there. I know I'm squishing the bow. It's okay. Put a little dab of glue. Right there on the pipe cleaner. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize it comes with a little hook right here. I didn't even notice that when I was buying it. I'm just setting this pipe cleaner through for more stability, right? Okay, while that glue is drying. I know, I squished it. It's fine. It's fine. It can be redone. How cute is that? That turned out so stinking cute. So fun. Let me know what you think about this fun little DIY in the comments. I really like it though. Super fun, super everyday. A little farmhouse for sure. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this YouTube tutorial. I appreciate it. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Courtney with Southern Owls. I do have a website where you can buy my designs. It's thesouthernovls.com. I also have an email subscriber list, the Owlets. You can go to thesouthernovls.com, scroll down to the bottom, and enter in your email address. I do monthly giveaways, so it does pay off to become an official Owlet, and I would love to have you on my team as an official Owlet. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate y'all, and I can't wait to craft with y'all again. See you soon.